There you go. That was AJ.
Welcome to geometry.
Yeah, I love that for us. So here's what. We're going to spend the next 3 weeks doing circles. They're a little crazy, but they're not hard. And that's why I like them. That's why literally I told myself I wouldn't do the hard stuff till fourth quarter, right? This is 8th grade math, 7th grade math. So here's what, we're just doing area and circumference. So does everyone see these top 2 little spots? And those top 2 little spots, we're going to put some stuff. Are you ready? Take your handful. Okay, here we go. Where that little spot? Where that little spot says area. What I want you to write is this. Are you ready? A equals pi r squared. You literally learned this in 8th grade, 7th grade. This is for the area. And here's what I'm going to tell you, a couple things. I had someone in my last class say, I don't really get what that means. And here's what I want you to think about. Here's what area is. Put it away now. Put it away. What area is this? Is if you needed to cover something with wrapping paper. If you were giving someone a big flat thing, a pizza, and you needed to cover it with beautiful green wrapping paper, that is area. It's all the stuff that you would need to cover something. That's area. And the only measure that we really care about in circles, we don't care about their sides. We don't care about their hypotenuse. We don't care about anything. We care about one thing. And that one thing is this dude right here. He is the radius. And you know he goes from the middle to the edge. Now, sometimes we're going to talk about diameters, and you know what that is? It's just 2 radiuses, right? That's all it is. It's nothing tricky, right? It's so easy. Now, let's talk about circumference. Here's what circumference is. Here is our formula. Write this down in that little box right on the top. Circumference, we say C equals, so much even easier, 2 pi r. Well, my friend Zoe and I realized is that you don't even have to type in 3.14 anymore, because we're using a good enough calculator that has a damn pi button for you, right? But what people don't realize is, what the heck does that mean? And here's what it means. You've got a pizza, and you're about to eat it, and you look down, and there is a little ant walking along the edge of your pizza. Circumference is how far it takes him to walk on the outside. Circumference is always smaller than the area, because the area is all the middle stuff, and the circumference is the outside stuff. Say it. Okay. You didn't realize that what that was? No, I was. Okay. So here we go. We're going to start. We're going to blow through some problems. Everyone needs a calculator ready, right? So everyone ready to go? Yeah. So I am going to erase this. Keep your formulas with you. The first thing I want us to do together on this one, I want to start by finding the area of this guy. Area, AJ, of that guy. So here's what I do. I think to myself, what is the formula? And I write it down. Pi r squared. The next thing I do is say, okay, I know what r is. So I'm going to say the area is pi times 7 squared. And guess what? The calculator takes over. Your requirement tonight is to be able to write numbers. Does it have to be like 8? Nope, nothing.
How do you make it squared?
Oh, how do you make it? 2 ways to make it squared. 7 times 7.
Oh, yeah.
Or, watch this. There is a little squared button there. 7 squared.
9.
Seven.
Oh, it's 7? Oh.
7 squared. Enter. Done.
Oh, so you put the pi after?
Oh, in the beginning, you can. You can. I'm a whole number girly. So if you got 154, you are fire. Okay, lambs, here we go. Now we're going to try circumference. Even easier. Step 1, write your formula. It's the C one because it starts with a C. 2 pi r. Step 2. There's only one number to plug in, my lambs. It's going to be 2 pi 7, right?
Is it always 7?
It is 7 because that's
Oh, I thought
already.
we're on the other phone.
No, just still doing this one.
So, 2
Times pi 7. And you know what? Calculator does the whole thing.
Oh, hell no.
43.9.
I'm trying to find the circumference.
43.9.
5 times 7.
No.
Enter.
I got 43.
43.9.
Yep.
43.9.
Round it up.
44.
44. So here's, I'm going to walk around. I want you all to do the next ones with your table mates, please. Do this one. Get the area first. Get the circumference next. Get this guy. Get this guy. Use that. Ready, go. Everyone's doing it.
Oh.
Watch me do the next one. You're doing this one.
It's actually not easy.
Light work, right?
Circumference for the other 44.
For the other one.
The next one, use 12 instead of 7 instead of your heart.
Yeah, I got that.
No, but we give stuff. There's a lines of 4.
Pi
You wanna do that next? Go ahead.
AJ.
I'm gonna
You
get
know
back.
what you do?
Hey, is that what you got for the first?
450 days.
Bro, what? How do I get this?
How do you find C?
Oh, is this what you got for the area?
Yeah, how do you find C?
Ooh, here's what I do. I looked at my little formula. It was 2 pi r, right? My r is this guy. So 2 pi 12. Calculator does it all. 2,
75.3.
2 pi 12. You're so fast, man.
Shut up,
Love you guys fighting this.
How are you lost? So you leave the calculator. You don't even do anything.
Can you help him? Can you guys, instead of like mock him, can you help him? I like tell him.
And then what? I don't know. I'll show you. I'll show you.
Can you?
Give me time. Get there.
Okay.
All right. I'm showing you. I might be a little.
Okay. We're doing this one. Ooh, I told you in our lives with circles, we don't like the whole thing. We like radius. Will, what am I gonna do here?
Cut 16 and a half.
We're gonna cut it in half. Cut it in half, 8. So guess what? R8. Do the same thing one more time. There we go. Eat and do this next one. Use 8 though. Don't use 16.
Good job, Tina.
Right? We're using 8. Everyone's going. Use 8. You've already done it.
Just walk out.
It's so easy.
I got like 201.
R, 2.
Why is it 8?
2 pi, because you cut it in half. Because it's a full line.
Oh!
On this next one, I'm not going to use 16. What am I going to use? Kind of the same thing.
8 plus 52.
Well,
So we cut it in half because it's a full line.
and pi 8.
Wait, that was C.
Times 8.
Okay, so here I go.
I got 201.
I got 50.2.
Okay, here we go.
Ryan, you got like 15.
First one, area. I'm going to start here. Pi times 8 times 8. You know what? It's 8 squared. So there we go. 54 times 12. Using my little pi button. About 201. Love that for me. How about C? 2 pi r. My r is 8. I love this for us. But you know what? I feel like if you don't listen, then you're going to look up and be like, what the hell is she even doing? Right? Okay. That was light work. Light work. We're going to get a little tricky now. Right? A little tricky because that's what we do. No, not decimals. Go backwards action. Go backwards action. Okay. Light, it's going to be light work. Did you notice on the first ones, hold on. On the first ones, everything was times, times, times. That's what we did. We did times, times, times. On this one, we're going backwards. And backwards of times, times, times is going to be divide, divide, divide. Does that make sense? So here we go. We're finding the circumference. We got the circumference. But we're going to want to find the radius. So when it gives us this word, the first thing I want all of you to do on this problem is to write down the formula right now in the little box. C equals something.
Equals pi. C equals 50.
Yes, fill it up for her.
Oh.
I'm like your mom. Huh? I'm like your mom. Fill it up for your sister. Okay, here we go. It. Have I lost? Okay, taping. Hold on. Have I lost anyone? I just wrote the formula down. I know. Here's what I'm. Watch me. I know what their circumference is. So guess what? I'm putting 50 right here. Does everyone see why I did that? Because it told me their circumference is 50. So I am putting that guy right there. That looks like a penis. I'm not going to put that anymore. I was like, well, I'm going to use that. Oh my God, that's on the tape. Okay. We're going to get fired. Okay. So here's our job. Our job is to get R alone. And you guys all passed algebra. You know how to do it. We're going to do it in 2 baby steps. Are you ready? Step number 1 with our calculators, because we're that lazy, let's get rid of the 2 first. Oh, I don't want that. So here we go. Divide by 2. Divide by 2, because our job is going to be to get this dude by himself. Step 1, AJ, get rid of the 2.
25.
Love that. Love that.
What did I ask?
25 equals pi r. My job is to get r by itself. What's the next thing I'm going to divide by? Divide by pi.
Why is nobody checking?
What? Because I want to get r by itself. Are you with me? Those guys cancel. Do I have to do any actual math? No, my calculator does it all. Get it, your calculator. Hit 25. Hit divide. Hit pi. And you know what you did? You just figured out what R is. Someone do it.
7.9.
R.
I was sliding down roast hams.
Oh, that's on the video.
It's on the video.
Oh.
Okay.
Right.
I want you guys to try one. Here we go. But don't do this. Don't do this. Find the radius. Okay, everyone's on their own. Same problem. On your own.
Yeah, it was brought that time.
I'm good. No.
Yeah. The Shannon's only up there.
2 and
I should open the shed door and the girl was on the ground.
Oh, we say when you measure out carpet, you don't get a string of carpet. You buy carpet literally in squares because they cover us. That means that it means that it's a square yard. So, like for example, you don't even have to worry about that.
I know.
You still didn't got that. Has even answered one question. That's hey, I'll try to tell you something. Oh yeah.
Okay, everyone, eyes up here on me, please. Did everyone for the radius get 6? Here's the problem. It didn't really ask for the radius. It wants the whole thing all the way across. So if a radius is the little piece, how do I get to the whole thing? I need how many radiuses? It's just 2. Because look at him. Watch this.
Yeah, easy.
1, 2, right? So guess what? You're going to get times. AJ, why am I putting a 12 there? Tell me why. a radius of 6
Times it by 2.
to get a full diameter. Does that make sense? Okay, new button. Are we excited? No, we're not. Here we go. We're almost done, and then I'm going to be quiet. You guys have done great today. Okay, first thing I want to tell you this. Please ignore this. This is the official way. When we buy carpet at Home Depot, they don't sell it in a tiny strip. They sell it in big carpet pieces, in square pieces. So when you are covering an area, it's called square units. So don't worry about that for now. Okay, almost finished. You guys with me?
Yeah.
Here's what we're going to do. We're going to do the same thing, but we're not using circumference. We're using area. Everyone right now, write this down. Area equals pi, and look what I'm going to do, r squared. It's telling me what the area is. Pop out the A and put in 125. I'm sorry, 145. You can put it on my desk. Thank you so much. You are fire. And if you, I think there's a piece of paper for notes, and if not, will you do me a favor, Will? Will you hand this to Tom to hand to Will? Okay. Have I lost anybody right here? Watch what we're going to do. You're going to love this part. Are we good? I'm looking at everyone's eyes. Yep. Okay. I want to get this R guy by himself. So what do I got to get rid of? I got rid of that stupid pi. We know how. We're going to divide by the goofy pi. Divide by the goofy pi. Could you please do that on your calculator for me? You're not going to write that number down. Yes, and leave it there. 46, something like that? We'll just go with 46, yeah? 145.
Yeah.
AJ, did you get it?
145?
Divided by pi.
46.
Okay, here's our big finish. Oh, I love this part. This is my favorite. I want to get R by itself, but it's got that stupid exponent E2. How do I get rid of it? Is it trick? Square root. Guess what? You got that button. So I need everyone to find it. I'm going to tell you where it is. Do you all see on the white? You see that button right there? Does everyone see it? Look what's above it.
Oh, you press the second option and then.
Second. And then you gotta close those six.
Yeah, like that. Boom.
Bro, what?
Hey, what do we put in the middle? Do you put 45?
Wait, do we put 2?
What do we put in the middle?
Do we put 2 or 45?
What do we put?
46.
Okay, so here's what I got. I'm going to square root, right? I'm going to put this in square root.
It's square root
Wait, what?
R2.
So I'm going to go, watch what I'm going to do. Second.
This is 7.
Second, yes it is. 46.
7.
Enter.
Enter.
6, 7.
6, 7.
7. You know what? When even your teacher's doing it, it's played out. It's played. I'm going to put 7. Put 7. Okay, try this one.
There you go.
Find the radius all by yourselves. And then let's do the diameter. Find the radius by yourself. We're going to use that square root button. I love that. I love the square root button. I don't know why he's fucking
Let's copy it.
Yes, and yesterday, oh my God, I thought we got out at 1:39 or 12:39, and you're like, yeah, that's when we get out, and I let you go. Oh, I thought that was a. No, and then I like, okay, it's 1 minute, go, and then like people are like later, and someone comes out like, where's your class?
That was me.
What
I came
time?
in.
Yes, I'm like,
I was looking for
hey, what
the
time did they go? It's like 1:42. So thank you.
I think I got the fellas, and they weren't here.
No, one of the fellas.
Oh, yeah. I came
Like,
in.
literally.
You know you were
Fire right there. Fire. Here we go. Here we go. We're almost done with this.
Where's the water?
And then I'm going to send you to the bathroom. And then I'm going to send Zoe to the bathroom. Because you need a break. You need a quick break. You've done a lot of work. So you let me finish this next two, and then you take a bathroom break. Look at her. I don't have to go.
I got 15.
Oh my God, you're too fast for me. I haven't done it yet. Okay, so I divide by pi. Okay, did you get, right, did you get 79 divided by 5? Divide by. I know.
I just put it in, I didn't even divide it.
Oh, that's smart.
Really? See, you're gonna, okay, I thought that was something.
None.
Did you get 25 out here? Guess what we're gonna do after that? Backwards squared, right? Because we're unsquaring it. I got five. Now,
Oh, I see, yeah.
for my friends who really want that A here, how would I make it better? 25. Okay, you guys have done great, but we got one last one and it's hard, and I have a challenge problem for a few of my friends. So, last one, best one. Oh, here's what I want you to do. This is as hard as it gets, and this is what changes it from middle school to high school. What I would like you to do, girls and guys, last one, then I'm shutting up. Please find R right now from that. Find R. You guys know how to do that. Get your circumference.
On the back?
Oh, sorry. Last one. I know. And then you're going to go. Like, you're going to write this on and then you're going to go. I actually already asked.
Leave her alone.
Okay, here we go. Last one. Write your formula for circumference. Set it equal to 57. This is the easy one. Circumference is easy.
Oh, it's the within C.
Now take that R and plug it into C.
Oh.
So here we go. I don't want to rush ahead. I'm going to start here. Here's the circumference. 2 pi r. Put my 57 there. Start taking some stuff out. How about start with the 2? Yay. And then, what did you get?
28.5.
Wait, I was.
I heard that before you. Shut up.
Wow. Divide by pi.
I got
Okay, I gotta do it because I don't have it over here.
I'm gonna do it before all y'all.
Stop. Don't make me rush. I make mistakes. Divided by pi. Shut up.
I got 9.
I got 9.
I got 9. Okay.
You suck.
Wait. This is the thing that makes, to be honest.
I don't care.
I have a piece.
Shocker.
Guys, be nice to each other.
On film, on video.
So embarrassing. If you can do this, you can get a B on this test. If you want an A, you take this 9, and plug it into the area formula.
Ooh.
Do you see the difference between a B and an A? A B finds the radius. An A takes that radius and says, wait, I can use it in the pi r squared guy. Yes. But my, what's it called is gone.
Oh, man, that's mine.
And there's Zoe.
Go.
It's a store-bought one.
Okay. Is that what it is?
That's what I got.
You are 81.
That's what I got.
You are fire.
Oh my. Let's go.
Okay, so check this out. Last thing to tell you, and you don't have to do it, you don't have to listen anymore. There is a problem. Don't look at, I mean, it's small right here. This is on the very bottom of your worksheet. If you are one of my sweet, lovable, super smart nerds, and you want to do that one problem, you don't have to do any homework. But I'm going to be honest with you, it was a challenge that I even had to think about. So if you're like, Miss T, I don't want to make my head hurt. It can't be, yeah, but it's a really hard problem. So here's your homework. There are 14 problems.
2 feet less than twice the
Cross off 9 of them. No, Cross off
9 of them. Okay, I'll do that.
Cross off 4 of them. But do me a favor, don't cross off just the last one, because I need you to practice some of that. Yeah.
9. You said cross off 9. So.
You know, cross off 4. Cross off 4.
Oh, you said 9. You said 9. Exactly.
Oh my God. Hey, who's ever listening at home, I'm so sorry.